Hi everyone, I'm Donna from the Land Rover Guidebook channel. Today, we will look at Trip Computer and Eco Data function. The instrument panel menu has a trip. You can select Trip A, Trip B, or Trip Auto in the Trip Bank in the Trip menu. The various contents of the trip selected in the Trip Bank can be selected from the following menu. Trip distance, average speed, average economy, instantaneous economy, range, and driving style. Trip contents can be viewed by pressing the round gray switch on the end of the external light control on the left side of the steering wheel. In the TFT Virtual Instrument panel, the selected trip content is displayed at the bottom right, and you can also make the trip content invisible or view the date. You can also view the 4 trip contents at a glance by selecting Trip Summary from the info panel of the display in the Instrument panel menu. Trip distance, average economy, average speed and range clockwise from the top left. This information can also be checked in the Eco Data function of the infotainment screen. You can see various trip information at the bottom of the Eco Data screen. Tap at the top left of the screen to see improve efficiency information related to the accelerator pedal and your driving style. At the top of the screen is improved efficiency information related to speed and engine. At the top right of the screen is improved efficiency information related to the brakes. These driving styles range from 1 to 5, with higher scores being more economical. The instrument panel is economical if all 5 green graphs are green. There is an energy impact menu at the top left of the screen. Tap the tips in the lower left corner of the energy impact screen to see a lot of helpful stuff. Please read this as it will help you to operate the vehicle economically. The energy impact screen has several features. First of all, turning on the climate function activates the graph on the screen. As you increase the wind strength, you can see that the graph grows with it. When the air conditioner is turned on together, the graph on the screen goes up to the end and you can see that you are using a lot of energy. If you turn off the air conditioner again and reduce the wind strength, the graph will also decrease. If you turn off the climate completely, the related graph will also disappear completely. When the rear glass heating is turned on, the graph on the screen is also activated. When you turn on the windshield heating, the graph on the screen shows that it uses more energy than the rear windshield heating. Turn on the steering wheel's heating wire and you will see that it uses less energy. You can also see the energy usage when you turn on the heating seat, and you can see that the energy usage increases when you turn on the heating seat of another seat. Various functions related to the energy impact displayed on the screen may be added or removed depending on the model and options. As you use various functions of the vehicle, you can check the energy impact in the graph on the screen in real time, which can help you to operate the vehicle economically. Now, let's look at the history in the upper right corner of the Eco Data screen. You can see various driving records related to Trip A. There is also a related driving record for Trip B next to it. The trophy-shaped history tells you the best journey of all time. Several of the journeys on the right show recent journey records. The far right is the most recent journey. After selecting Trip A, look at the bottom right, there is a Reset Trip A. To reset the trip, you can also press and hold the round gray switch at the end of the external light control, but you can also do it here. The Reset Trip B menu also appears in the lower right corner of the screen where Trip B is selected. You can reset the trip by simply tapping Reset on the screen. At the bottom right of the trophy-shaped Best Journey screen, you'll see the Clear All Journeys menu. Tap the Clear menu and a pop-up will appear asking if you want to delete all the journeys. If you select Yes, all the various journeys on the history screen will disappear. Driving with reference to the history, energy impact, and driving style of these Eco Data screens will help save fuel economy and protect the environment. So far, we have learned about trip computers and Eco Data. In the next video, we'll look at Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in Land Rover vehicles. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.